Yes?
Wala akong kalaro.
At sa computer ka na lang naglaro. Ano, di ba? Oh, Belek. Laro daw kayo ni Kuya ng chess. Laro kayo ng chess ni Kuya. Ha? Dama lang ang alam kong laruin eh. Hindi ako nag-chess eh. Nakalimutan ko na. Dama na lang. Ano, maglaro ka ng dama? Ha? Ha? Kain, kain, kain. Appear, appear. Appear tayo, Blake. Appear. 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 Hindi na uso yan. Wisik-wisik na lang. Appear, appear. 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 Hindi na uso yan. Wisik-wisik na lang. Appear. Appear. Bye-bye. Bye. 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 Say bye-bye. Bye. Wave your hand. Wave your hand. Bye. Bye. Flying kiss.
Okay.
Hindi nga. Nagpa-practice lang siyang magbabay. Ikaw naman. Ayaw mo na ba siyang kausap? What's that? Is that your toes? Your toes, your knees, your shoulder, your head. Excuse me? M. Ay, may ubo si Kuya. Flying kiss. Flying kiss sa tita. Yes. Flying kiss. Appear na lang. Appear. 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 Appear ang paa. Appear. Appear. Very good. Appear, appear, appear. 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 Hindi na uso yan. Kiliti-kiliti na lang. Kachik, kachik, kachik.